Alrighty everybody, so I hope you're loving the course so far. And in today's lecture I have a challenge for you to do. This is the JavaScript console challenge. Now I wrote this program, but I seem to be having troubles getting it to work. You see, the problem is when I run this program in my browser and I open the JavaScript console, I'm getting all these problems, these errors are popping up here, and I'm going to need your help to fix this. So what I need you to do is I need you to take these code files. There's going to be two in a sheet that you can download in the external resources for this lecture. So go to external files and download the zip file. In the zip file, there will be two files here, and I need you to fix this JavaScript code here so that there's no errors in the JavaScript console. If you can do that, that'd be awesome. You passed the test. So I challenge you to do this on your own. If you guys are having any trouble, don't worry. We're going to go through this in the next lecture, and I'm sure you guys everything you need to know. So try it on your own, and best of luck, and let's fix this program, guys. Let's use the JavaScript console and fix this program. Let's redo that.